Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you the best way you can start making some passive income with little money to invest. So I'm going to show you everything in today's video. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. So let's get started with today's money making method. It's going to be a quick disclaimer, guys. I am not your financial advisor, so anything I say inside of this video is totally my opinion and fully just me showing you what I'm doing and how I'm using money and cryptocurrency. So this is going to be the beginning part when I invested inside of this platform. So this is like an update video, guys. So I've started within this platform a couple of days ago and I only invested around $46.48. So you can see that right here, guys, on this screen. And this is how much ETH it is, 0.1973 ETH. You can see right here, guys, this one was 0.1973 Ethereum. Now this one is 0.2196 Ethereum. So you can see a difference already happening within a couple of days. Keep watching, guys, because I'm going to show you why this is the best passive place you can actually put your money at the moment. So moving on to today, I just came inside of this actual website and I can see that my value has already risen up to $200 right here, guys, from $50 to $200. And you can see right here my dividends. I recently just reinvested yesterday, guys. So this is not one of those websites that are gonna pay you out like 1% every single day or pay you out like 5% every day. This is a website that is basically a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. So this money that we are seeing here, these tokens are actually really Ethereum, guys. So you can see how insane this has actually risen in the last couple of days right here. You can see that it has never went below its lowest point once it actually started to get traction. So you can see it has never even went below none of these guys. And look at this big, huge spike right here. Now there's something really interesting about that, and I'm going to explain to you 4 different ways you can actually make money with this one contract. We don't care if the website disappears, because as long as you still have access to this contract, you can actually interact with it within the same money, and you can't lose any money from this, guys. It is almost impossible for you to actually get scammed out. Now this is not financial advice. This is just me showing you and telling you what I'm doing and my opinions about this platform or this contract. So if you guys know any information about coding, you can start to see for yourself if you have any knowledge in looking at any of these information here about the contract. And the cool thing about this is that when somebody makes a contract on the Ethereum blockchain and gets it verified, they are not able to mess with the contract no more. So once you actually publish this to the Ethereum blockchain, it is there forever until Ethereum or whatever currency it's on goes away. So if Ethereum goes away, then we might lose our money. But until then, guys, if Ethereum disappears, that means every cryptocurrency pretty much is fake or something is not good about the cryptocurrency. So I'm pretty sure that that's not going to happen anytime soon. So I think that this website is going to stay around for quite some time. And as you can see, guys, it's been around since 2018. How crazy is that? 2018. Now you might be asking, well, this 10% deduction or this fee is going to go to the developer. No, that 10% is going to go to everybody that is holding this token. So if you are holding one token, you're going to get some dividends from this 10% fee if I buy some more. And I'm going to tell you my strategy and what I would recommend you guys doing if you have less than 1 Ethereum. So once you invest any sort of money inside of this platform, any Ethereum, any amounts, then you're just going to start to accumulate some dividends. You don't even need referral earnings, guys. The referral system is not really that good anyways, so don't worry about that, guys. Look how much money I've already made from just $50 invested. So there's that. This is the first way you can actually earn money, is through this 10% dividend distribution. Contract itself is coming over here, guys. So once you buy the token, you can see that the token goes up and it goes down. So the interesting thing about that, guys, is once this actually starts to go down even the slightest, people are going to start to take out their money. I would highly recommend you guys not taking out your money at all. If you have anything invested in here, just let this grow. Now the reason being is because once people sell their money, look, here's another 10% fee that's going to come to all of us, guys. So you're making money while it goes up, while people buy in. you're making money while people go out, and it has never went below the actual lowest point yet, guys. So now the third way you can earn money from this actual contract itself is Ethereum. Now Ethereum goes up and down as well. So as Ethereum goes up, we're going to be making more money, more Ethereum, guys. Now as the Ethereum goes up, the token's going to go up as well. So there's one source of income right here when people buy in. There's two sources of income whenever people sell out. There's three sources of income when Ethereum goes up, and there's four sources of income when the token goes up, guys. So this is a really awesome way you can start making some money with this one contract that will not disappear anytime soon. Now this is just me giving you guys my opinion and letting you know what I'm trying to do, because I'm going to grow those $50 to at least 5 Ethereum and not investing any more money, so I can show you what is possible with the little guy. So if you have really anything to invest inside of any platform, I'm going to show you with just $50 that I'm going to grow this account to at least 5 Ethereum. And then from there, guys, here's my strategy I'm going to show you real quick. My strategy on this one contract is getting this account to either 1 Ethereum or 5 Ethereum. Now letting it sit there, just letting it sit there for forever until this contract disappears or until Ethereum disappears, guys. So once I get those 5 Ethereum sitting there on this actual contract, then I'm gonna wait till my dividends get to the same amount as my actual investment, which is gonna be right here. So I'm gonna wait till it gets 5 Ethereum here and then get 5 Ethereum here, and then once I get the 5 Ethereum in dividends, I'm gonna actually take out money from here from my dividends. It's a truly money making machine, because you can just leave however much money you want inside of this contract and just start milking the system and just taking out money as time goes on. If you want to reinvest those 5 Ethereum to make it 10 Ethereum, you're going to get more dividends. The more dividends you get, the more money you can withdraw every single day, like a paycheck. You can start getting paid out every single day depending on how much you invest in this platform or in this website or even in this contract, and you can just start to get some really good money, which I'm going to show you my journey on this actual contract itself, so you can get started and making some money right away. And again, guys, you can come interact with this contract. Just go over here where it says write contract, and then once you click on write contract, you have the ability to connect to the web right here. So connect your actual MetaMask account where you can actually deposit the money in, and you can actually withdraw your money. You can actually sell your tokens, buy tokens. You can do everything that you can do on this website. You can do it right here. So we don't even need this website. This website can disappear tomorrow and I wouldn't care. We could just come over here to the contract, interact with this contract, and start making our money. We're going to continue to make our money. It is not going anywhere, guys. Is I have recently just made this Discord channel for all of us to come together as a community and start talking about money making methods and money making applications and everything money, guys. I want to start helping you guys out with the motivation to get started making money as well. So I have its own little channel inside of this Discord, so you can start learning and getting motivational quotes and motivational videos right here, and so you can start to change the way you think and eventually possibly be this $1 billion guy right here called or named Dan Pena. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.